Oh, we got ourselves a Skywagon, Cessna Skywagon. Or is it a Piper? Cessna. It's a full plane on a trailer. I figured I'd show this. Got a couple helicopters, whirly birds. Just heard over the PA that the Life Flight helicopter here in Maine, based out of Lewiston, which is where I live, is 5 minutes inbound. Let's see, I should be able to. Yeah, that's a serial number. That's just an information plate for the. Oh yeah, it's a Cessna Skywagon, Cessna 180. Yeah, nice old plane. We got some other planes here as well, Pipers, Moonies, Cessnas, Beechcraft sitting over there that I showed you in my first video here. We have a plane that really can't go anywhere and stuff here because there's something missing from it. It's a Beechcraft. Alright, tubers, what's missing? Got the landing gear there. The nose gear is off the ground, but there's a good reason for that. Plane looks to be in very good shape. Very good shape. But there's just something missing. Just quite can't put my hand. There it is. There's a motor mount, master control unit or carburetors, electrical connectors. Obviously she's missing the motor and the prop. That's where the AV gas goes. 30-gallon tank. And then we got King Air, Super King Air. So it's a Beechcraft as well. Turboprop. Members of the Civil Air Patrol Unit and all that here as makeshift security. Believe me, I'm correct when I say makeshift. It's a nice Super King Air 300. Nice turboprop. She's gorgeous. Well, she's a pretty bird. You can see my fat reflection in it. Yep. Big old exhaust. Nice old landing gear. General Electric headlights. Yeah. More to show later, tubers.